This thing is gone. Heater core. Down in here somewhere. That means I gotta take off this whole dash again. Down in there. To get that sucker out. Box in a box. Ooh, and they give you a sticker, refrigerator sticker. This time of a, looks like a Trans Am. That turbo Trans Am, yeah. Oh, bam. So this is the size of a heater core for a C4 Corvette. Wow, I didn't know it was this small. That's what we're going to be doing. Replacing the heater core on a C4 Corvette. Bam. Not bad. I thought it was a lot bigger than this. So, though you don't see it, these two connections are right there, going into. So it's sitting in there like this. It's just like this. That means the thing's somewhere right there. I gotta pull this whole cap off. If anyone has ever did this before on YouTube or not, but that's what I'm doing. So I'm not gonna cover taking off the instrument panel and all this other stuff. I did that when I painted it on the other video, so I'm not gonna cover taking all this off. I'm just gonna continue when I get this off, the dash pad off, and this off, and you can see underneath what they have actually in these things, and where the heater core is. So we'll come back. We got instrument panel off, bezel panel. You see the passenger side, what they got over there. It looks like either an anti-theft module. That's what that could be, or yeah, I think it's an anti-theft module. So to get this dash pad off, as you can see, it's cracking. I'm going to try to paint it. There's two screws. I'm going to show you. Right there on each side. There's a screw like that on each side. You got to pull those out. If we get that off, and then I'll show you what the next step we need. They said I would have to take the instrument panel off too, but we're going to see if we can do it without taking that sucker off. I don't see why you need to take it off when the heater core is on this side. Then they said drain the antifreeze, but I'm only going to be doing these two hoses. Let's see, these two hoses right here. So all I really need to do is disconnect this hose from the other one. Yeah, disconnect these two hoses and lift them up. And so I don't need to drain all the antifreeze. I'm not going to do that at all. Then we're just going to take these out and get to the next step. This whole thing has to go out that way. This has got to come off. And under there too, so come back when I get all big mess, a lot of stuff all over the place, but finally got to the location we want, this housing, which houses the heater core. So after taking the computer out, this is a computer harness right here. This goes to a module. We have another module there. I think it's an anti-theft module. These two pins go to the computer module. This is a flasher, as you can see. There's a bottom carpet, they call it the hush panel. Right here, I took off. You gotta take that off. You gotta take off a brace that goes from this location all the way up to here in the corner. You gotta take that brace off. Let's see what else. Take off this piece of cake. Take off the ducting for the AC that goes over the top right here. That's off. So there's two more screws though that are hard to get. There's one up in the top corner here where I'm pointing to, and there's one over there. Those are the last two I need to get to, and to do that I had to get a couple of tools. Plastic housings are held on by these small screws. These babies, yes, and they swivel. This is what's going to help me, I hope, get to that location. And first of all, my lighting sucks. I should have got a better light, you know, a strong LED or something. See, I'm using this huge fluorescent light. Very awkward. So, you'll see if you look up in that corner, I'm going to point to it. There's a screw here, up in that corner. There's a screw here. Need to remove. There's a screw there. There's a screw that here. Let's see if you can see where I'm pointing to. Yeah, right there. This big round band goes around this round. Put the lighting over the dash, which creates a glare on this weak camera. But now you can see what's going on there. This big shroud, I got most of the screws off. Here's the heater valve they told you you have to remove. I have that linkage disconnected. This right here is a AC tube. You'll see when I twist it right here. You gotta remove that screw back in that corner. I'm gonna point to it right here. What screw I'm talking about. You gotta remove the screw back in this corner I'm pointing to right here. That one. Then you're able to turn this any way you want to do it. Yeah, see? Goes any way you want now. Move it around so you take this out. Move it up. Out of the way, whatever you want to do with it. Now we're ready to go. Got my gloves on. 7mm with the swivel. I got about, let's see, what was this? 1/4 inch and an inch. Oh, excuse me, hold on. 12 inch, and I think this is a 4 inch. Now I give you exactly what you need to get that. So now I think the whole housing is loose. Yeah, look at that. The whole thing's loose now, baby. That was it. I need to pull it on out of the location. You see this temperature control valve, excuse me, door opener, control valve, release, what do you want to call that? Make sure you pull it past that and don't damage that. And there's the screw that was on top. That wouldn't come out. There it is, baby. Put it over there. This is what you need to get out to get this thing. There it is. Finally. We're going to clean all this out, but right now, let's go take a look at what we got under there. This is leaking. Alright. There is your old